Hello, in this video I'll be teaching you how to create a heart shape in Photoshop using shape tool. First, select your ellipse tool, hold down shift and draw a perfect circle. Okay, select your rectangle tool and draw a perfect rectangle. Make sure it snaps to the circle, so I'm going to remove the corner radius. Okay, I'll make sure this snaps to the circle like this. Good, so we have a perfect shape. Alright, so the next thing is to join the ellipse and the rectangle to merge it together. Right click, merge shapes. Okay, so the next thing to do is to hit Ctrl T, hold down your shift and rotate to 45°. Okay, so duplicate this by clicking Ctrl J and Ctrl T, right click, flip horizontal and align it. Okay, so you have this. Also, you have to merge it together again to have a perfect shape. So this is how to create your heart shape in Photoshop. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.